Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. A very good decision has been given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India regarding filing of affidavit. You all know, according to Section 139 of the CPC, affidavit is a sworn statement given before a person authorized by law. That means affidavit is a sworn statement regarding the facts which are known to you or regarding the facts which are within your exclusive personal knowledge. That affidavit should be filed properly. Should be filed with all material facts. You should not suppress material facts. If you suppress, the court will take contempt of the court's act. They will initiate action. So in the case of Sundar alias Sundar Rajan versus State in criminal appeal number 300 by 2011 on 21/3/2023, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Madam Hima Kohli and Pamani Gantam Sri Narasimha, 3 judges bench, they initiated contempt action against the SI of Tamil Nadu state for concealing the material facts. They wanted to take action against the SI. Why? If you know the details of the case, it is better for you to understand. So please remember, here Mr. Sundar alias Sundar Rajan, he is an accused in a case of POCSO Act where he was given death sentence. He was languishing in the jail. Under Article 137, he has filed a review petition. Of course, now it has come to the Supreme Court, stating that he did not commit offense, but still the court has punished him, things like that. And he is living a good nature. Even in the jail also, he is behaving in a good manner like that. He has put in the so-called representation. So while dealing with that, the Honorable Supreme Court of India called for a report from the SI police. So SI police, Kammapuram of Kannur district, Tamil Nadu state. He was asked to submit the affidavit. You know, Section 139 of the CPC deals with the affidavit. Even General Clause Act deals with the affidavit. So already in the introductory part, I told you what is an affidavit. Right. So here the SI filed an affidavit on 26/9/2021 stating that the conduct of the so-called Sundar Rajan is satisfactory in the jail. He is not at all involved in any other cases and he is suffering from hypertension, that is BP, and he is availing medication in the prison hospital. Added to this, the so-called prisoner, Mr. Sundar Rajan, he acquired diploma in food catering during his time in the prison. So that means to say that he is a very nice man. Not satisfied with this, Supreme Court asked an affidavit to be filed by Superintendent of Prisons, Kadalur. Now we will see the affidavit filed by Superintendent of Prisons. In 2013, he said in 2013, the so-called Sundar Rajan attempted to escape from the jail in 2013. Second, so this is an important issue which shows the conduct of the so-called Sundar Rajan. So this SI says he is a nice man, all these things, but it's not accepted by the Supreme Court because of the report of the Sundar Rajan, that is a Superintendent of Prisons. Supreme Court held that or opined that non-disclosure of the material facts, it amounts to misleading the court and also an attempt in interfering with the administration of justice. So court took suo note of the same and they have given a contempt proceedings against the SI. Before that, the Honorable Supreme Court of India gave a notice to the concerned Circle Inspector of Police to explain as to why action should not be taken against the SI in this regard. And of course, as regards the death sentence, the Supreme Court was pleased to commute the death sentence into life imprisonment. And of course, regarding the contempt action, after the affidavit filed by, after the report filed by the CI, next action will be taken. If it is very important, I will give you another video. If not, we'll keep quiet. But here, what you have to understand it, as an officer, as an advocate, if you want to file a affidavit, please file it with the correct details, with the facts known to you and the facts which are exclusively within your personal knowledge. It happened once in the High Court of Hyderabad. So at the time it was a combined state. Actually, the secretary, Panchayat Raj, is supposed to attend the court on the particular day. He could not come. Therefore, he sent a UDC, Upper Division Clerk in the particular. Then the Honorable High Court Justice, I think he is Goda Raghuram, he has seen the affidavit and he has posed some questions to the government pleader. Government pleader in turn asked the UDC. UDC said, I don't know anything, sir. I just came when the secretary has asked me to go to the court and present the affidavit. I have come and given them. That's all. I do not have any personal knowledge about the contents of the affidavit. Then Justice Goda Raghuram said, no, ask your secretary to come because you do not know the contents of the affidavit. But for you have come. So this is the thing. Please remember. Affidavit should be filed with all available details, that too with the related material facts. Otherwise, the result. Content of the Courts Act. Already just now, very recently we have discussed the case. Even then I told you according to section 12, the punishment is only 6 months or fine will be up to 2,000 rupees only. Right? So with this I am concluding. Thank you very much.